UML means you can make TFT, behavior diagram, structure diagram, implementation diagram, and so many testing tools. Working with the UML, you can get feel a real life software development process, and with the help of UML, you can understand the behavior of your project in different ways. On your system, it's very easy. Go to the Google Chrome and simply you type download tools for the UML. There are so many tools which will you see. I am using Star UML because it is open source and free available. You can also download it and install it and start working with Star UML. You go to the Google and simple type Star UML download free Windows 10 because I am having Windows 10. And if you write here downloading the Star UML, now after that it will ask for the MacBook or for Windows 10. So I will download Windows 10. After that, you can see in your downloads Star UML setup 3.2.2. You double click in this setup, start installing it on your hard drive. After installing your hard drive, you can see it on the desktop like this. Are you looking this? Star UML. When you double click this diagram, you can see like this screen. This is the Star UML screen. It is unregistered because I have not, menus are there. If I will click on the model menu, okay, because we want to make some model diagrams. Model menu, you can see add diagram, and after add diagram, when you click here, you can see so many diagrams are up here. Class diagram, package diagram, object diagram, component diagram, and a sequence diagram, data flow diagram. Whenever you click, suppose you want to make class diagram, whenever you click on the class diagram, you will see in the left side of this window, related with the class diagram, all components will appear here. Class, association, aggregation, generalization, dependency, all related things by which you are making a diagram will appear here. If you will click on the object diagram, related with the object, it will appear. If you click on the data flow diagram, then it will show the related components of that diagram. And after that, what will we do? We will start first experiment and we will make a diagram, class diagram. The first experiment is prepare and draw class diagram using UML. What is the objective? After making this diagram, you can understand what is class diagram, what is the behavior of class, and class is actually the static diagram of a thing. Suppose mobile is a thing. The static thing means what is the dimension of this mobile, what is the color of this mobile. These are the static feature of mobile. So to understand the static feature of your class, we make class diagram. There are 3 rectangles. In first rectangle, we write the name of class. In second rectangle, we write the attributes of class, means characteristics of class. And in third rectangle, we will write the operations which work on the attributes in class diagram. Now, for example, we will make a class diagram of ATM. So you have to identify how many class you have to draw, how many relationship or what aggregation association you will draw. You have to identify it. In the class diagram of ATM, I have identified bank class, customer class, ATM class, and account class. And where account class has 2 subclasses, current account and saving account. And we will draw the diagram like this. We will draw bank class, customer class, account class, ATM class, current class, and saving account class. You can see here, this shows the generalization and specialization sign, means account is a general class and it has two specific class, current account for the business purpose and saving account for the personal purpose. Like this, you can see here this type of diamond shapes which shows the aggregation quality. It means account is a part of bank, customer is a part of bank, like this. Now we will start the diagram of class diagram of ATM. Just a minute, I will share a screen. I have clicked on the star UML and already I have made this bank class, customer class and account class. These two diamonds shows that the aggregation sign which selected from this option, and it shows that the customer is a part of bank, account is a part of bank. Here you can see the association has relationship, customer has an account. Now after this we will see the generalization. Specialization is, you have seen that account has two sub classes, you can say. So we make two subclass. You click here in the class option and after that we make a class. The name of class is current account. After that you have seen this triangle. I will click add button. Now you can see here I want to add attribute, because in second box we have to write attributes. What is the name of our attribute is account number. We can say that. We can see here again, if you want to see what is the number is account number and balance and withdraw. In saving account number and balance and withdraw also we can make. Now we again change the screen sharing and we will make here balance and account number. Now account number is, you can select here the visibility mode. All the time normally in class visibility mode of attribute is private. Now next attribute is balance. Okay, again the visibility mode of the balance is private. After that we will add operations or behavior. Now what is the name of behavior is, we have seen that withdraw. You can see two parentheses which shows the functions, and all the time we should keep public visibility mode for the function, and in these public functions we will use the private member of class, because if we will do everything private, what will happen? We can't use private thing outside the class, and if we are making a class we have to use it outside the class. So for outside the class we make always functions, and we always make attributes private. After that, now this class is complete. We will make second class. We click here. You see here, when I will select the class, it will convert it in the blue color. After that, you can draw it. Now second class is, have you remember the name? Current account and saving account. Now in second rectangle box we will create attributes. The first attribute is again account number. number whose public visibility mode is private, and after that you add second one is balance whose visibility mode is again private. Now we can create here again an operation, and you can create yourself. You know that we are withdrawing the amount, we are depositing the amount. These are all operations. Withdraw. Okay, now visibility mode of function is always public. We are making a class, and if having attributes and functions, and because of security purpose, we are making the attribute or operations private. Means everyone cannot access those private things. But we have to make something public also, because if you are not making anything public, you can't use your class outside the class. So what is the relationship between the account and current account is specialization and generalization relationship. We click here on generalization. Now you drag this line from here to here. Again, generalization, specialization, and you drag line from here to here. Now I think you understood that how will you make a class diagram. Now we have 5 classes, and we understood that what is the static nature of class. Bank has code, bank code and bank address, has manages what are the operations of bank, maintain the account and manage the account. Like this, customer is a class, account is a class, current account is a class, and saving account is a class. And we have also seen the relationship. Here we have seen specialization, generalization relationship. Here we have seen association, and here we have seen aggregation. Like this, you can make class diagram of any of your project, and I think you understood how to make a class diagram with the help of star UML. Now you can practice it with make another class diagram of another thing. Suppose you want to make class diagram of library management system. You identify the name of class, you identify the attribute of those classes. Suppose you want to make library management. So first class is library class. Library class के properties you have to identify. Now member class, you identify the properties and operations of member, and like this you can make any class diagram of any project. Now we will see the next diagram in next class. Till then, goodbye.